What happens when our tarot cards don't give us answers that we want to listen to? Now, this can be a tricky situation. We may really wish for something, and when we finally ask the cards about it, the cards may have a completely different perspective and guidance for us. It can be disappointing for us, however, it's not the end of the road. Tarot is a beautiful tool to understand ourselves better and give us more insights about things that we may be struggling with or we may need guidance with. So, in certain cases where the answers that the cards give us are not aligned to what we may expect, the cards can still provide us guidance with how to maneuver the situation and to ensure that we cope through the situation that we are into. Several times, whether I'm doing tarot card readings for humans or even for animals, the answers are not exactly what we want to hear or the querent wants to hear. That doesn't mean that reading stops there. It only is an invite for us to dwell deeper into these concepts. It is a great time to then understand what exactly is making us uncomfortable with the answers, the possible blocks that we may have with the guidance that the cards are providing, how to deal with those blocks better, and also how to deal with the situation better. What guidance do the cards have for us to ensure that even if the outcome may not be something that we have truly desired, how can we cope with it and how can we make the outcome something that we feel aligned to and that can benefit us. So if at any point of time you get answers from cards which are not something that you have expected, you have wanted, please do not stop there. Ensure you keep asking more questions to the card so that you don't leave the reading in any kind of confusion and you have clarity on the next steps that you wish to take. Now remember, tarot cards are not a predictive tool and hence it should be used only as a guidance tool for more clarity about the situation that we are in, rather than just believing in it and not doing anything about it outside of the reading. So please use them as a guidance tool, not as a predictive tool, and it can really help us all overcome challenges that we may face at different points of our life and even sometimes with our animal companions at home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you had such experiences where the tarot cards gave you answers that put you in confusion or you were not happy with, do tell me what you did to overcome those challenges, how your cards may have helped you even overcome the challenge that the reading itself may have brought up, so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye bye.